A tropical low pressure system is continuing to develop north of Western Australia. Today is your update for Sunday, the 13th of April. If you saw yesterday's video, you might remember we were talking about a high chance of tropical cyclone development late yesterday or overnight last night, and that hasn't happened. The main reason we haven't seen the tropical cyclone form yet is because there has been just enough wind in the atmosphere to push the showers and thunderstorms a little bit to the south, where the main band of convection down here is slightly offset from the wind circulation. For a tropical cyclone to develop, you need all of those things to be in alignment, and we haven't quite seen that yet. However, this tropical low is still strengthening, so it is still forecast to become a fully fledged tropical cyclone. It's just going to take slightly longer to get there. Currently, we see it just north of the Kimberley coastline in northern Western Australia, and it has brought some heavy rain to the islands in the northern Kimberley, but not much of that rain has made it onto the mainland. In the next day or two, we will see some more strong winds and heavy rain about the northern Kimberley, but the worst of the weather will remain offshore, where the tropical low will continue to strengthen into a tropical cyclone, likely to now happen on Monday, potentially after lunch on Monday. Through the afternoon and evening, we could see a Category 1 tropical cyclone a few hundred kilometres north of the coastline. As that development is occurring, we will still see some strong winds and potential for further heavy rain along the coast, and that's why we've got this tropical cyclone warning area between Kuri Bay and Kalamburu in the far north of Western Australia. In the days ahead, this will be a system to watch. It's likely to continue to develop through the first half of the coming week, potentially to a severe Category 3 tropical cyclone by Wednesday. You will notice that the westward path that it's following does take it a little bit further away from the country during the first part of the week. However, during Thursday, Friday and next weekend, there are a few scenarios which could still unfold. A range of paths are still possible that the system could take, including the chance that it deviates southwards back towards the coastline. That could mean further weather impacts, including wind, rain, thunderstorms and large waves for the Pilbara or the Kimberley coast, or potentially could even double back and maybe impact parts of the western top end. Those are all possibilities, but none of them at this stage are certainties. So the key message for the moment, if you live in the top end, the Kimberley or the Pilbara, this is a weather system just to keep a tab on. Keep a watch on the latest updates for the warnings and the tracks. In the next few days, we'll start to firm up and solidify the likely path that the system will take, and you can see if that is likely to impact your area or not. You can always find that most up-to-date information on the Bureau's website, and you can check out the BOM Weather app as well. Thanks for watching. Have a safe weekend.